Hi, hello, this is Brother William. Yes, of course, that's my wife. And you see the 8, but it's not the 8, but it's 58. So today, it's Brenda's birthday. As you can see here, we have this, the happy birthday, balloons, and of course, the big 5. Because it's not easy to have a 5 on your birthday. And you have 8, so it is her 58th birthday. And we have flowers here. Yeah, we have flowers here. And of course, the beautiful plant, Ontario, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, the flowers here, the flowers that she really wants. But I don't have able to take the flowers like this. But I can give her like this. This is for you. Okay?
Thank you. Pinili.
Yeah. So she is 58 now, and of course, it's not easy to be there because you will pass a lot of struggles, a lot of years that you cannot able to sometime to overcome. But I think Brenda and I were able to come all these years. So here we have some food. So here, so that's the preparation that we have. Yeah, this food prepared by Hubert. Pancit. Yeah. And spaghetti, of course, made by MJ. And for this food, of course, just for everyone. We also have here lumpia Shanghai. And that will be good. Of course, soft drinks. The people are coming there. Yeah, I love you guys. Here, Princess, my daughter, just brought this. And Beauty also brought this with Angeline. Of course, they are here. Thank you for coming. Because it's a really great thing that to enjoy birthday with your mom. Of course, yung putong puti na pinaghirapan din ni Mami Brenda sa kinanay. Spaghetti, yun. Ito yung ginawa din ni MJ kanina. At saka yung biko ay kahit matanda na si nanay, 80 plus na, si tatay, gumawa pa rin ng biko para kay Brenda. Yeah, so napakasarap na alalahanin. Yeah. So of course, ito yung ating mga nandito, mga anak natin sa buhay, anak natin sa pag-ibig, anak natin sa pananampalataya, at anak sa pagtitiwala. Nito rin yung isang ina na kasama natin. Kilala niyo yung Sister Marina. At yung mga bago nating apo na isa, si, ano pa na daw? John Ray. Kasama si ano pa ni Geraldine. Yan ang asawa ni mabait nating anak na si Hubert. Yun, andun si anak. Yan. Si Beauty, anak ko. At saka si dito, yung isang anak ko na maganda. Yan. Ayan. Maganda yan. O, di ba? O. Simple Cherry. Bago yan kasi kumuha na ng apelido sa gwapo na manager yan. Accountant yan. Yan. So yan yung mga nandito sa atin. Sa taas wala pa. So ngayon mga kasama at mga nandyan sa Pilipinas, nandyan sa Cebu, nagtatanong kung ano ba talaga ang totoong birthday ni Brenda. Yan. So, ito po, ang totoo niyan, yung pinost ko nung isang araw, ay 56 siya. That was 2 years ago, COVID time, na walang bisita. So, panahon na yan, ay bawal ang bisita. Yan. So, ngayon, mayroon tayo mga kasama rito at pasalamat ako sa inyo na nandito kayo. So, sa oras na to, can we sing happy birthday?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you for coming, guys, to join with me in my birthday. Thank you. God bless us all.